like that hat? You like the hat? Oh, Toe. Come on. There, how's that? Are you sunbathing? No. Okay. You don't like the hat? That's okay. Friends? Friends? Oh, sorry, honey. Friends? Friends? Oh, good girl. Good girl. Let's see the papas. Look at Saucy and Toxie Doxy. You see how she gets, oh, how can I show you? 1 second. Here. So that is in between Sophie's paw, okay? And you see that red? You should have seen that 2 weeks ago, and it's cleared up a little bit. Actually, it's cleared up from last week. Let's see that one. See, they're still red. They're still red. I don't believe it. You know, Sophie, you are such a good girl, and you don't deserve to have allergies. They're very, very, very destructive for her. I mean, 100%. So, I'll tell you what we've had to do in order to maintain, you know, her allergies are so bad that she has to go back for another allergy shot in 2 weeks. Her paws are getting red again because she sits in the grass. What dog, tell me, does not love to sit in the grass and watch? And the poor thing, look at, she's in pain. She's in absolute pain. So this is she had a yeast infection in between her toes, and it almost looked like, do you remember I keep talking about the footage from L&L Soul Sisters, and it was from the summer, and yes, and she went up north for approximately, I don't know, let's say 4 weeks in 2023. She came back with poison ivy. Okay, I wasn't there. I almost had a heart attack. And so ever since that, my poor darling girl, you know, why does Harry get upset that his father calls him darling boy? You know? Let's see, Soaps. Now, these are the back toes. My grandfather was a vet. So, let's see. Let's see. No, it's okay, honey. Come here. Sit. Because I want to show everybody how much better. So she's been on prednisone and antibiotics now for 2 weeks. And it did, see, but they're still red. They're still red. And that's very, very painful for a dog. Any man or woman that has ever, I don't know if men get them, but for women, when you get yeast infections, they're absolutely horrible. You know, she can't even have any other food than hypoallergenic. That's it. And she's already taken, I mean, look at this. Look at what she has to take. It's prednisone. It's a steroid. So tomorrow they owe us 100 antibiotics. So 3 a day. 3 into 100. Let me think here. 3 into 10 is 3. 3 times 9. Okay, so we're looking at least another, 5 weeks of treatment for Sophie Ann. See, she's drinking, and also the steroids make her so thirsty, don't they, baby girl? Don't they? So, Saucy, this is what you were seeing that she was licking. Because she's got alopecia, and if you look at her little chinny chin, you see how it's a little red? Even her ears were red, and it's almost as though it happened overnight. But it didn't. It was just slow and gradual. But as a human being, I don't think to check my dog's toes every day. But the thing is, she doesn't wince, she doesn't cry, she doesn't whine. She gets a little growly because, steroids can make a human being aggressive, so why not a dog? At any rate, I was supposed to work tonight. However, they didn't need me tonight, so I didn't go in. What is this? Oh, our coffee from this morning. Oh, and some marriage, Joanna.